Yeah, it's when brewing the kettle sour beers with lactic acids. It's a really good beer to combine with different fruits. When I add passion fruit, it's real passion fruit. I buy it as a puree and add it during the fermentation. So it's in when the beer still is in motion, the passion fruit will blend in and it will ferment a little bit because it's a lot of fruit sugar in it. But it will also make a lot of, you will taste the fruit. And the chili is, I like the Carolina Reaper chili, which is the world's strongest chili. Tried to eat one, never do that. Felt like my ears was going off my head. But it's important to know what you are using, so in the beer. So. In 1,000 liter is a half teaspoon of crushed Carolina Reaper. So it's one third chili in 1,000 liter beer. And I guess you will feel the heat, but it's not very hot. But you will taste there is chili. And we are taking that in the end of the fermentation. Yeah. The Belgium yeast. Yeah. In the lambic style, they're having what is called a cool ship. Yeah. So, yeah. There is one. No, it's only one real cool ship brewery in Norway, which is Lindheim Brewery. Yeah. Yeah, but they started to make that just a couple of years ago, and the lambic breweries have done this for all the time. There is a cool ship, and they have like in the room it's very not isolated. You have and you have all the fruit trees outside. All the bacteria are coming into the cool ship, while the beer is around 50 degrees, and all the bacteria are landing inside the brew and making a lot of funky, good sour flavors. And then they're putting it in oak barrels after that. And there are also bacteria in the oak barrels. But you can be using oak barrels and stuff like that. You can be lucky or you can be not that lucky. And it takes 1 year or two to make it done. And it's not easy just to start for a Norwegian brewery to do that. On the Lindheim they have a apple and plum garden outside, so they have all these bacteria coming into the beer. There's not many breweries who can do that and dare to do that. Waiting 1 year and it really tastes like shit. It's so, but yeah.
All right, I think the beer. I think we're gonna save if you have more questions. I have one question about why my bottles exploded when I used wild Ethiopian honey that I bought from the side of the road outside Jimma. I had glasses in the wall of the wardrobe from the bottles exploding, but we can take that later. I think we need to stretch our legs, take the beer, and when you're leaving later, please recycle your glasses on the way out. Okay? And I just want to, before everyone runs away, 8:30 tomorrow, 7 o'clock tonight, near the Oslo. All good? Did I forget anything?